Today I'm going to talk about different cables that you can use. I just bought Anker USB-C to USB-C cable. And I've got 4 6-foot cables. And you can see these are really good quality, heavy-duty cables. A problem that I've run across, when you get a USB-C cable with a product, it's for charging. You're going to find that some of these are only for charging. They will not do data. If you're having trouble transferring data, first thing I would check is cable. I would change the cable out. Data cables, it's both ways. It'll charge and it will send data back and forth. Some of the products that you buy that are a lower price, they only have the ability to transmit electricity. They won't handle data. These Anker cables are really nice cables. I really like those. And you know, when you bypass all the trouble that you're going to have with an inexpensive unknown brand, these are really nice. I use them with portable hard drives, and the other end go into a MacBook or an iPhone or an iPad or an Android or anything that you want. Not only do you have to worry about whether your USB-C cable can transmit data or electricity or both, you also want to make sure it's made out of decent components. You don't have to go out and pay $100 for a cable, but you don't want to pay $2 for a cable either. You want to get a decent cable, and I have always found the Anker and Ugreen to be a very good quality cable at a decent price. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.